Meaning of fluorescent.
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 Fluorescent. Fluorescent refers to the property of materials to emit light after being excited by electromagnetic radiation. When a fluorescent substance is exposed to ultraviolet light or another type of radiation, it absorbs the energy and then re-emits it as visible light. This produces a glowing effect that can be used for various purposes such as lighting and microscopy. Fluorescent colors are often bright and vibrant, and they can be used in many applications like art, fashion, and advertising. Overall, fluorescence is characterized by a unique and eye-catching display of colored light.